Side control, knee on belly, throw a couple shots. Ton of knee on belly defense because I think it's much more of a trained kind of position and therefore less likely. Not because it's less effective, I think it's more effective. I just think it's less likely because it's not what people who are mimicking MMA or whatever are gonna do, right? So we should train it because we do it, we use it, but I don't put as much emphasis on the defense as I do some other more likely positions like mount, guard, that kind of stuff, okay? So let's look at a couple of things from the top side. If I'm in mount or if I'm in side control, those should be transitional positions for self-defense, okay? I'm not looking to maintain mount, I'm not looking to maintain side control. We talked about it a little bit yesterday. It gives this person too much control of my body, and I am at least 2, maybe 3 steps away from actually being able to stand. Where knee on belly, I can literally just stand, okay? When you're making transitions from mount or side control or whatever, ideally I don't want to put my hands on the floor. I should be putting my hands on them, okay? And there's exceptions, but generally speaking, my hands on the mat shouldn't be happening, right? The hands on the floor, okay? So if I'm in side control here, and I've got an underhook, I'm underneath the head or whatever, and I want to get to knee on belly, and I do, I'm going to go far side hip, near side shoulder this way, and I've got active toes here. I'm not on my shoelaces, and I want to be able to go from this to popping up to knee on belly. And when I pop up to knee on belly here, that should be heavy. Like I should be dropping that knee down hard. You should get a physical response from them by the way you put your knee on belly in. Usually you'll hear a big exhale, and that should be quickly followed up with cracking them. All right. So from side control here, I'm going knee on belly, looking to hit, and then we're gonna, as we get up, we're gonna exit towards their head. Unless there's environmental things that I have to consider, I don't want to stand up here like this because he still has, if he's still in a fight, he still has weapons available to him. If I stand up towards his head, he has to belly down and then square to me. Okay? And realistically, I should be gone by now anyway. Right? So I don't, again, unless there's things in the environment, other problems to solve that would dictate me needing to go that way, I would like to avoid his limbs. Right? So when I get up, I throw my shots, I'm going out this way. Okay? Now, we're going to hit transition from side control to knee on belly, a couple of strikes, and then set up gift wrap. Okay? So we're going side control, knee on belly. I'm throwing a couple of shots. If he doesn't cover, then just knock him out and leave. Okay? If he covers here, and I need to stay for whatever reason, I'm going to go 2-on-1 on the near side arm. I straighten my arms. I put my weight down. I'm going to loop around the back of the head. Here. Okay? I'm not trying to push his arm to the floor by using my triceps. Okay? I'm stiff arming here, and I let my body weight press this down. And then I loop around the back of the head. Okay? So, side control, knee on belly, throw a couple shots, boom, gift wrap. Okay? Questions? And look, the gift wrap is kind of a bonus if I need to do more damage or I need to control this person. If I can go side control, knee on belly, throw a couple shots, get out of here, that's what I should be doing. I shouldn't be looking for a long kind of protracted grappling match. Context is going to matter. You know, if I'm on the light rail, and I don't have anywhere to run to, then maybe I want to get more control of this person, and I need to make sure that they're out, they're unconscious. So throwing a couple of shots and leaving might not be the best option. All right? By going gift wrap here, I can throw shots, and then I can even start looking to get them on their side or on their belly and have real control over them. Okay? What
gotta feel